Come and vibe, if you ready, let's ride. We about to kick it with Bill, the Harley guy. Steady revving up the engine, steady lane switching, and he's gonna break it down, so you gotta pay attention. Who you with? Bill, the Harley guy. Hey, who you with? Bill, the Harley guy. Yeah, it's about to be legendary. We gon' have a good time. Tune in and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. Bill, the Harley guy. Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Bill the Harley guy. Welcome to my channel. Here I work on motorcycles. My 1988 Sportster. Then I got my 2007 Dyna. And I also have a 2020 Softail Standard that as of right now is still at the dealership. It's been at the dealership for, not since this past Friday, since the Friday before last. The Friday of the Forgotten Angels camp out, I wasn't able to make it because of my oil pump and my Standard took a shit on me. So anyway, that's another story on another date. In case, you know, if you want to find out what happened, you know, I made a video about that too. Anyway, I'm starting my Sportster project. I got my hoist leveled up. Got my hoist all leveled. Dead nuts. From line to line, dead center. So now I gotta put the Sportster on the lift. So I gotta find my tripod, then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, so get this level out of the way. Alright. Alright. I suppose get on there. There you go. So, put my shit up here. There we go. Now, see if I can straighten this down a little bit. Alright, there. Got that side. Make it my stand down. Still have somewhat. Stay up. Don't move. I'll get my other strap. Okay, so trying to think how I'm going to do this. Yep, this is it. That's the way I want to do it. Don't try it. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright. Good enough. A couple more cranks just for the hell of it. There. Okay. Front end didn't squat too bad. Alright, I got it up. Alright, I'm going to be stripping that bike now. Well, not now. I just wanted to get it on the lift and in position so I can start working on it. And as you can see, it's dark out. You know, I don't even know what time it is. Probably about, I don't know, since the time change, it's probably about 7, 8 o'clock. I'm not sure. Fuck, I don't know. I'll be right back. I got one more thing to bring out from the house. Give me a minute. Alright. I just brought this out from the house. This is the lowbrow customs frame, hardtail. Yeah. I don't get paid to mention them. I paid for the frame myself with my own money. So I don't get paid for anything. It's just I spent my own money to get what I need to get my bike the way I want it. So that is going on that. And I'm getting rid of that seat. I hate that seat. That seat sucks. So it's going to get an all new makeover. So this is going to be part 1, as in getting my hoist ready for the teardown. So I don't know what to fucking call this video. You know, I just go with the flow. So that's that. So anyway, it's getting pretty late. I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning, early. It's the price I pay for having dogs. So anyway, I love my dogs. Don't get me wrong. So anyway, I got the dinette in for tonight. So I guess this is I'm going to call it. Until next time, I guess. If you like what you see, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Be well appreciated, and it would help my channel out a lot. I don't normally say this shit, but every little bit helps, right? And ring that bell for future notifications right there. Okay? Thanks. Have a good night. Be safe. Bye.